Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Hocus Pocus tea. So I'm starting with a little water in my cup and I'm doing 2 scoops of H3O. Mix that up. And then we're going to add some ice. I'm going to add a little bit of Margrata Stevia. And so in another cup I am mixing up the tea, which is raspberry tea, adding some cranberry aloe, and then in the other cup I'm doing blue raspberry stevia. That way you kind of cover up the brown colored tea. Add some more ice. Then I'm adding a new BlackBerry Liftoff. Then I'm going to add some more ice and then pour my tea and blue raspberry tea on top of it. Add a little bit of grape stevia to the top. And that's it. That's how you make the Hocus Pocus tea. Thanks for watching.